how to create multiple product pages in Shopify. So hello everyone and welcome to our channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create multiple product pages for your Shopify store. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. So if you need to create accounts on Shopify, you can use my affiliate links in the description below. I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also receive rewards or discounts by signing up through these links. So without further ado, let us begin. Okay, so once you're in Shopify, the first thing that we're going to need to do first is to create our page. So in here, let's just go to our online store right here, which is under sales channel. Let's go to pages right here. And then from here, let us start creating our page. So in here, let's just add a page. And then let's say I'll just name this as main page as an example. And then in this main page, you can add your content right here, add images, videos, and etc. But for me, I'll just add a text right here that this is the main page. There you go. I'll just click on save. And then there you go. So let's just exit out of here. And then once you're done creating your main page or a page, what we're going to do now is go to content, then go to menus. So basically what we're doing here is we're going to add a page to our main menu on our Shopify store. So let's just go to main menu right there. And then let's just add a menu item. Then you can add a label for this menu right here. So I'll just say products as the label. And after that is the link. So in here, you can choose either of these links right here. You can redirect to a homepage, search, collections, and etc. But for this video, we're going to redirect it to a page. Okay, so just click on add menu item and then just add the label of your menu item right there. So I'll just name it products and then just simply click on link right here. And then from here, you can choose any of these redirects right here. So you can redirect it to your homepage, a search, and etc. But for this video, we'll be focusing on pages. So just click on pages right there and then just add the page that you've created. So for me, it's called the main page. So I'll just add it right there. And then there you go. And then once you're done, just simply click on save. And then there you go. So when I go to my online store right here, and then when I preview my online store, as you can see now, we now have a product section right here, which will redirect us here to our main page. Okay, so next what we're going to do now is we're going to add more pages and more menu items. So I'll just go to pages again, and then let's add additional pages. So let's say I'll just name it page 1. There you go. And then I'll just add a content that says this is page 1. Make sure that the visibility is visible. And then just simply click on save. There you go. Then let's add one more. Add page 2. Content will be this is page 2. Make sure that visibility is visible. Click on save. And then there you go. Next, what we're going to do now is to add those menu items. So let's go to content, go to menus, go to main menu, and then just start adding your menu items. So click on add menu, and then I'll just name this page 1. Then for the link, go to pages again. Then I'll just add page 1. There you go. Click on check. Then let's add page 2. So page 2, the link, let's redirect it to a page. Go to page 2, click on check, and then there you go. And then make sure to click on save. There you go. Moving on, let's go to our online store, and then let's just see a preview on what it looks like. So as you can see on our main menu right here, we now have our products page, the page 1 and page 2 page. So when I click on these links, it will redirect us to this page. So there you go. That was page 1. Let's move on to page 2. Then let's go to products. So yeah, there you go. So what we're going to do now is to make this page 1 and page 2 page under one menu item. So for example, I want to add this one, page 1 and page 2 to products. So what you want to do is you can drag it. There you go. So as you can see, it will now allow us to add menu items to products or to our product menu item. So we can do that again, drag it there, and then there you go. Now when you click on save, and then let's just go to preview. And then when we go to our online store, as you can see that the page 1 and page 2 links are not here anymore. But when I click on product page right there, as you can see, a drop down menu will appear that will contain these pages. So there you go. It will redirect us to page 1, and same goes with page 2. So yeah, so if you want to make it like this, you can do so. And then within these pages, you can now add like sections to these pages. So for example, we can add our products right here. So let's add a featured product. There you go. Then let's just select our product. So let's just select product 2 right there, and then there you go. And then make sure to always save. Okay. Next, let's customize page 1. Let's go to page 1 right here. Then let's just replace it with product 1. There you go. And then there you go. Then let's just go back to our home page right here. So what you could do with your menu is you can also customize it. So in here you can change the logo position right here, the mobile logo position as well, the menu, the drop down, or the menu type, so you can make it as a drop down, mega menu, or a drawer. So for me, I'll make it as a drawer as an example. There you go. You can also change the color scheme if you want to. So let's say I want to make it black, and then there you go. Now when I click on my menu right there, this is what it will look like. So yep. You can also change some other settings right here, like the utilities, the spacing, the padding, theme settings, and custom CSS. So feel free to customize your menu. Then once you're done, just simply click on save, and then there you go. We're now done. So we can now exit out of here, and then let's preview our site again. So let's just go to online store, click on the 3 dots right here, click on preview, and then there you go. So as you can see right here in our menu, when you click on the menu icon right here, as you can see, we can now navigate to our pages right here. So as you can see, we have our main product page, and then from here under the product page is we have our sub pages right here, which is page 1 and page 2. So when I click on page 1, it will redirect us to the page for page 1, which is this one. Same goes with page 2. So when I click on page 2 right here, it will redirect us to page 2. And then there you go. And then if you want to remove these pages, just simply go to pages right here, and then from here, if you want to delete the pages, just simply click on the pages that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete page 1, page 2, and main page. Select them, click on the 3 dots right here, click on delete pages, click on delete, and then the pages will be deleted. Same goes for the menu. Go to content, go to menus, go to main menu, and then as you can see that it will automatically delete that menu for you once you delete that page. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add multiple product pages on Shopify. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.